This is the theme song to Goldfinger, sung by Shirley Bassey, and it brings back memories for more reasons than one for me. The movie was filmed partially in Fort Knox, and that's where I took my basic training. Well, it turns out that the film was made about a year and a half before I took my basic training in Fort Knox. But I didn't see the movie until years after I'd gotten out of the Army from that hitch. Anyway, when I saw the scenes from Fort Knox, it brought the memories right back. Except I saw everything in Fort Knox except the gold, but here's the song. I hope you enjoyed the memories along with me.